Do 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 dee do 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 do.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video we're gonna be getting into this wig, honey. Like, oh, I'm loving this wig. I'm loving how Wiggins hair company, okay, have colored this hair. I am just loving like the highlights only being right here and then everything else like this chocolate brown. So this is 26 inches and I'm 5'4", so this comes like to my hips, and the density I believe is 180. I'm gonna double check on that. It's gonna be down in the description box with the links to this company's website and this specific wig. So make sure if you're interested, just go down there, check it all out. But I believe, like I said, it's 180% density, average cap size. I will say the way I installed this unit, which was with the liquid gold from Bold Hold, I did the ball cap method. I normally don't really like to do it that much because I like to take advantage of the combs that come with these wigs, but the company wanted me to do the ball cap method, so honey, I did it. Okay, so with that being said, I wasn't able to use the comb, so I just feel like it's not as secure because I like when the combs is gripping my hair, okay? Like, give the little extra oomph in case whatever happens outside, like slippage, whatever. I don't know, it just makes me feel secure. So I wasn't able to do that, and it was because of the ball cap method. If you prefer to do the ball cap method, then continue doing what you do. But for me personally, I'm not truly digging the install because I want to use the combs. Lace, I believe, I wish they would have sent a medium brown just so I can, you know, really get it to match with my skin tone. I did have to use my 2 contour and bronze powders. Also, I used this True Match lace tint right here. I didn't do 2 layers of that, only 1, and that's because it's a little tricky. So I went ahead and just relied on these 2, and I feel like it did its thing. It's fine. It doesn't look as bad as it did when I first put it on, because baby, I was like, gonna take that wig off, we gonna have to fix that. So did end up plucking the front of the lace and I bleached the knots. I highly suggest doing both of those if you're thinking about getting this wig, just to make it look natural. So other than that, I really don't think I have anything else to say. I'm really interested in seeing how high maintenance this wig truly is, because in my head, curly, 26 inches, it's long, it has to be high maintenance, it has to be. So I am going to let you guys know how, you know, high maintenance it is and how it is to refresh these curls and all that good stuff. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bell on so you don't miss out on any videos. But I'm gonna stop talking here. We're gonna just get into the rest of this video, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. If you do, like this video. It would really help. And I will check y'all lovelies out in my next one. Bye. so cute.
Do 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 dee do 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 do. Boy, I know this might seem strange, but let me know if I'm out of order for stepping to you this way. 'Cause I have to know your name.